Welcome to Daily Genius. Today we are learning about farm animals. Let's go visit the farm. Come learn with me. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chicken goes cluck cluck, cluck cluck. Cow. This is a cow. The cow goes moo moo. Goat. This is a goat. The goat goes maa. Sheep. This is a sheep. Their wool is used to make warm sweaters. Pig. This is a pig. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. Horse. This is a horse. Horses are very strong. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks go quack, 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 quack. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbits can hop very fast. Dog. This is a dog. Dogs go arf, 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 arf. Thank you for watching Daily Genius.